Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your MacBook. At first, click the Bluetooth icon which is at the top, and after clicking it, click Bluetooth settings. Now turn on your headphones and hold the power button until the light is flashing blue and white. And now, as you can see, the light is flashing and our headphones are over here. We have to hover them and click connect. It may take a while, so don't worry. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.